Hello children, welcome to the math class. Children, today we will learn about a new chapter, that is chapter 8. So children, open your book, page number 174. Chapter 8, Decimals. Children, what is decimal? The fractions whose denominator are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. For example, 6 by 10, 72 by 100, 38 by 1000. In the number 568, children, you know 8 is 1's place, 6 is 10's place and 5 is 100 place. So children, as we move left side, each position is 10 times bigger. But in a decimal number, you see 568.2. Here 8 is 1's place, 6 is 10's place, 5 is 100 place. But here 0.2, 2 is 1 by 10th place. So we observe that as we move right, each position is 10 times smaller. Here 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, like this. Here you see next example, 16.253. Here children, 6 means 1's place, 1 means 10's place, then here 2 means 1 by 10th place, 5 means 1 by 100th place, 3 means 1 by 1000th place. Clear about the place value? Okay. Here children, one expanded place value chart is given. Here see, this is point and this side is, means right side is decimal number or decimal part and left side is whole number part. So in whole number part, this is 1's place, 10's place, 100 and 1000 place. But in decimal part, 1 by 10th, 1 by 100th, then 1 by 1000. So if we move left side, 10 times increase. But if we move right side, 10 times decrease. Then place value. Suppose these are the digits and these are place value. 4 means 4 multiply 1000 means 4000s. Then 5 multiply 100 means 500s, like this. Then here 3 multiply 1 by 10th equal to 3 by 10th, like this. 6 by 100th, 4 by 1000s. So the value increase as we move towards left and the value goes on decreasing as we move towards right. So children, we conclude that a decimal number has two parts. From this table you see 4542 are whole number part and 364 are decimal part. So whole number part example is 4542. In 4542 means 4542.364. But decimal part, for example, 364 in 4542.364. These parts are separated by a dot called the decimal point. Then the word decimal means based on 10, from Latin decima, a 10th part. So this decimal is derived from a Latin word. The Latin name is decima and whose means a 10th part. Then decimal places on a decimal number. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal gives the number of decimal places. For example, 123.48 has two decimal places, means 48, 1 and 2, two decimal places. But here you see 46.085 has three decimal places. Then representation of decimals on a number line. Suppose here we show 0.4 on the number line. Here you have to draw 0 to 1 because 0.5 is between 0 and 1. So 0.1, 2, 3 and 0.4 is here. Then example 1. Represent the following decimals on a number line. 0.8 and 2.2. 0.8 lies between 0 and 1. So children, you draw 0 to 1. 0, this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 5, 6, 7 and 0.8. So this point shows the 0.8 on the number line. Then 2.2 lies between 2 and 3. So children, you have to do 2 to 3. So 2.1 and 2.2. Try to locate two decimal numbers between 0 and 1, 2 between 1 and 2 and show these numbers on a number line. Then comes to like and unlike decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals, whereas decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. So the example of like decimals are 5.235, 17.567, 0.025, etc. Children, here you see all have 3 decimal places in each case. But here you see unlike decimals are 2.576, 3.04, 5.7, 0.47, 4576. Here you see 3 places are there, here 2 places, here 1 place, here 4 places. So different decimal places in each case. So consider the decimals 0.3, 0.30, 0.300, 0.3000. We shall see that all these decimals are equal. Here you see all are equal value. Thus we conclude that writing any number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part of a decimal does not change the value of the decimal number. In other words, the number of zeros in the decimal number placed at the end of the decimal part on the extreme right can be ignored or increased to any extent. So children, 0.30 equal to 0.300 equal to 0.3000. All have equal value. Example 2. Convert 72, then 4.3, then 90.42, 117.024 into like decimals. Children, here you see 72 means 72.000, 4.3 means 4.3000, 90.42 means 90.420, and this is the same. Because the highest places value is 3. So we have to convert all the numbers to 3 places value. Then we see all have 3 places value. So these are like decimal numbers. Then expand notation for decimal numbers. Children, here you see some examples. 24.5 equal to 2 means 10th place and 4 means 1's place. So 20 plus 4 and 5 means children 1 by 10th place. So 5 by 10. So 20 plus 4 plus 0.5. Children, 5 by 10 means 0.5. Then 432.509 equal to 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 5 by 10th, 0 by 100 plus 9 by 1000 equal to 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 5 by 10 means 0.5. Then the value is 0, so ignore it, plus 0.009. Okay. Then example 3. Write in expanded form 42.38, 209.806, 6.005. First we see a bit. 42.38 means children, 4 means 10 place means 40 plus 2 plus 3 by 10 plus 8 by 100. Then 40 plus 2 plus 0.3, then 0.08. Like this children, you see B and C. Then example 4, write in decimals. So here we write decimals to number, expanded form. But here expanded form is given and we have to write decimal number. So just opposite, a bit, 60 plus 3 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 equal to 63 means 63.45. Then B bit, 700 plus 30 plus 9 by 10 plus 7 by 1000 equal to 700 plus 30 plus 9 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000 means 730.907, because here 3 places are there, so we do 730. Then here also 3 places, so we write 907. Making use of the extended place value chart, let us write the decimal number 654.321 in expanded notation as follows. Here we have to convert in fractional form. Children, you see 6 means 100 place, 5 means 10's place and 4 means 1's place. So we multiply 6 and 100, then 5 and 10, 4 and 1. Then in decimal part we multiply with 3 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, then 1 by 1000. Then we get 600 plus 50 plus 4 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Then we add in fraction. Then we get this one. So like this we convert from decimal number to fraction. Example 5. Write as fractions in lowest terms. A bit 52.73. Here children, first you write the number and remove the point. Then what you write? By 100, because after point 2 digits are there. So as many digits after point you have to put 0. So 2 digits after point means here you put 20. Here you see in 312.456. Here after point 3 places are there. So we have to put 30. Then we reduced. Then we get this one. So like this we convert the fraction into the simplest form. Then example 6. Write each of the following decimals in the place value chart given below. So this is the one place value chart. This is 1000 place, 100, tens, ones, then decimal part is this side. Like this you see the number value and put. Then example 7. Write each of the following as decimals. It is 7 ones and 4 tens. Here in words is written, we have to write in decimal number. Let's see the solution. 7 ones and 4 tens means 7 plus 4 by 10. That is 7 by 7.4. Then B bit 57 and 35 hundredths. 57 plus 35 hundredths means 3 by 10th plus 5 by hundredths. That is 57.35. Okay. Like this we can write directly 57 plus 35 by 100. That is 57.35. Like this you see C bit. Then example 8. Write the following decimals in words. Just opposite of example 7. Here 121.5. We have to write in words. 121.5 or 121 and 5 tenths. Like this we write. You see the other bits. Then conversion of fractions to decimals. Here children, two types of conversions are there. When fractions are decimal fraction, whose denominator are 10, 100, 1000 etc. When fractions are not 10, 100, 1000 etc. So first we discuss about this type of conversion. Here two steps are given. We have to follow these two steps. First step is count the number of zeros in the denominator. Then second step is place the decimal point in the numerator such that the number of digits on right of decimal point is equal to the number of zeros in denominator. So first you see the example, then you can easily understand. Convert the following fractions into decimals. Children, here see denominators are 100. So first you write like this, 8456 by 100 means here children you mark 2 zeros are there. So we have to put one point from right side after 2 digits. So 84.56. Since number of zeros in the denominator are 2. Then here you see 75 by 100. Here 0.75. Since number of zero in D are 2. Here 2 by 1000 means 3 0. Means after point you have to write 3 digits. So 0.002. Then when fractions are not 10, 100, 1000 etc. Step 1. Convert the fraction into equivalence fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000 etc. and then change them into a decimals, or divide the numerator by the denominator and write the quotient in decimal form. For example 10, convert the following fractions into decimals. 876 by 8. Here we have to reduce 438 by 4. Then 4 multiply 25 equal to 100. So in numerator and denominator both we have to multiply 25. Then easily we can convert 109.50 because here 2 zeros are there. 109.50 means 109.5. Like this, children, you see B and D. Here 5 is there, here 4 is there. Here we multiply 2 to get 10. And here we multiply 25 to get 100. Okay. So children, you remember fractions with denominator 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 25, etc. can be written in the decimal fractions form. Then example 11. Express the following fractions as decimals. 5 whole 1 by 2, 12 whole 1 by 4, CBT is 3 whole 2 by 25. Here we see first bit. 5 whole 1 by 2 means 5 plus 1 by 2. Then 5 plus 1 by 2. 2 multiply 5. Why we multiply 5? Because we have to get 10. So 5 plus 5 by 10 means 5.5. 5 by 10 is 5. Otherwise you can write like this. You convert to improper fraction 11 by 2. Then directly you can multiply 2 5s are 10. So 5.5. Results are same. Which one easy you can do. Then B bit and C bit you see yourself. So children, whatever I taught you, again you read properly the all examples and rules. In next video we will discuss about exercise 8.1. Thank you.